The USB-INT5PIN24 internal USB cable features two 5-pin USB motherboard header connectors, allowing you to connect a front panel USB hub or card reader directly to the motherboard header port. This 24-inch, 2-foot cable provides a convenient solution for connecting devices that rely on a versatile front panel or internal USB port without installing additional cards or running cables externally to the rear ports. Made from high-quality materials and expertly crafted for durable performance, the 5-pin USB header cable is backed by a StarTech.com lifetime warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Useful in low light. The LED on the end is meant to indicate charge status, but its placement is useful to illuminate the socket you're plugging into in low light. Chose pink for high visibility. Will likely purchase more of these in future. No more wondering if your cord is working. I think all cables should be like these. Or at least have a light indicator. These cables are great. Not only does it let you know that power is going through it, but also lets you know when an item is charged or stopped taking voltage. They can also be used to test USB sockets to find out if they have voltage. I have seen them before but could never find them to purchase. Hands down the best kind of cable for me.